Gail the Planning Girl. Welcome back to my channel and a small haul video. Let's get started. I have three fantastic things here. We're going to start at the top and work our way to the bottom. This is an order from Crafts by Polly Shop. I have information in the description box below. Use my code GAIL20 and save 20% off your order. You'll also get my fantastic Gail freebie. Florrie always sends her goodies in a package, so it's like getting a gift. And you have a doily with your name and all the fun paper. You can unwrap it. Love it. So let's see. Zoomed in a little bit so we can look at the freebies. Here's my freebie. A positive mindset is the key to success. Isn't that the truth? And here's the shop freebie. I'm just here for recess. And then she's had these two cards for a little while. I got Post Office Run. That's in Florrie's handwriting. And I got the removable mat. It's a little bit thicker. And I have this glorious, glorious deco. It matches the Under the Sea sticker kit. And there's the pumpkin spice. This is is this part of the Autumn Burst monthly bundle? This is the deco sheet. I had a pumpkin spice latte today. Pretty pretty, unless that's the Autumn Burst. This is the Autumn Burst. So sorry. And this one, LD. This is just LDS 11. So this one is part of the Autumn Burst. This is the weekly kit. This is a cousin kit. Love it. And that's the Under the Sea. Let me zoom out because I'm zoomed in just a little too much. There we go. And then this is the Farm Picnic. Also, this is a kit. This one is the mini kit. Love the daisies. And then I got the washi strips from the monthly bundle. I like her monthly bundle. I wanted these washi strips and I wanted the deco. So again, that's Crafts by Polly. Up next is a digital download that I purchased from Nightingale Paper Co. And I printed it. It's a book planner. So I printed it out so that I could use it. There's an A to Z challenge and a list of things to read and recommendations and some book reviews. Now you can purchase this and keep it electronic, but my plan is to use this in my classroom as well as for myself. So you have a space for 40 books. And then you have a space for favorite authors, genres, books and series, and adaptations to check out. There's another book tracker and a series tracker, your quarterly recap, your yearly recap. I might use this for school. And then a notes page, several notes pages. If you print it, be prepared. It's 40 sheets. And this is just on copy paper. So it is glorious. I'm really excited about that. Nightingale Paper Co. And this particular planner is available on her Etsy shop. She also has a standalone shop. But the Etsy shop she had on sale this current weekend. Today's the 25th of August, I think. And it was 25% off. So I'm really excited about that. And now for this, my Planners Anonymous order. My friend Tamika, known as Pastries, Pumps, and Pie, is a stylist for Planners Anonymous. And I've purchased Planners Anonymous things before. You've seen me haul those. And Planners Anonymous had a secret sale recently for 50% off. And I bought all the things that I wanted on their site. So let's take a look. I'm just going to scooch a couple things out of the way. I actually own this notebook. It's the Northern Lights notebook. It's a beautiful B6 notebook. And I bought this same notebook. It's the Wild and Free notebook. And I gave it to my brother because it reminds me of him with all the hunting and fishing and nature photography he does. So I got both of those. Probably I'll be using them for Sophia's planner. And I got the Christmas A5. And it comes in this glorious dust bag. It's beautiful. In fact, this Melody, maybe it's not an A5, maybe it's Melody, but it's so large I can't even get it to fit here. Look at this. And this is going to be my Christmas planner. Oh, this is some foam to keep it safe. Let's take it out of the plastic. Oh, I'm gonna have to get some rings, I think. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's like the buffalo plaid, and it has holly. And it has the magnetic clasp. Oh yeah, this is gonna be my Christmas planner. And then inside, oh, it has books and a poinsettia. And I like these crisscross pockets. The new one doesn't have the crisscross pockets. And you have a pocket here, a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here, and a pen loop, and 4 strings. I can make it rings, which I may or may not, or I can slide in. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. So that's phenomenal. And then in here, I think I got the kit to go with that, but I can't remember. Isn't that terrible? Yeah, I did. These are all the stickers and things. So let me zoom in a titch. This is the Christmas at Home Classic Dividers. Now, the last time I hauled a Planners Anonymous goodie, I said, I wonder why they're not punched. And I found out they're not punched because if you want to punch them for discs, you can. If you want to punch them for rings, you can, which I think is clever. And actually, as I'm thinking of it, I don't think you've seen that video yet. I haven't released it. So this is going to be my Christmas planner. And you know what? I might punch it for discs and use discs and slip it in that planner, in that Melody, because I can. And these are phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. And I'm going to keep them in their plastic for now. I also picked up the Northern Lights Planner sticker book. So sorry, I had to edit. When I had gotten the Northern Lights Melody planner for my teacher planner that I used last year for 22-23 school year. Wait, that's this year. No, this is 23-24. Yeah, I was right. Last year's school year, I did not get the sticker book, and I have it now. It's beautiful, and I love that it was half off. Look at this. There's foil. These little critters are cute. Love this. Love the silver foiling. Love this. Ooh, pretty. Back to wintry again. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is like a clear washi-like sticker. Love these. Yeah, I'm really excited I got this. I got a couple of sticker books. I had seen Tamika share the sticker books, and so I was sad I had missed out on them. So I'm really glad I got it. I also got the Mermaid Shores planner sticker book because I bought this box and I didn't get the sticker book, and I was bummed about that. So now I have it. Love. These are box stickers. That's a nice thick sticker page. Oh, there's two. Oh yeah, these are like clear. Beautiful. I might make that a bookmark. There's those little critters. I think I'm going to use these little critters in Sophia's book. I love this. One of these times, I'm going to just do all beach for the whole summer. One of these times. Or maybe, I don't know when. All beach, all the time. One of these years. Love that. I actually have washi tape that looks like that. Beautiful. Love it. And even just to keep this, and you know, when all the stickers are used up, and pull that binding, you know, once you pull all those stickers out, that would be gorgeous. Okay, and I have Holiday Home. This looked nautical to me. This is the weekly sticker kit. I'm gonna make sure I'm still in frame. Total Beach. Oh, there we go. Oh yes, you know what? I will take that view. This could be my backyard. I love the calm colors. So beautiful. The seagrass, the sailboats, glorious. Absolutely glorious. All right, so that's my haul from Planners Anonymous and Nightingale Paper Co. and Crafts by Polly Shop. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And I will see you next time. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye.